Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see multi-threading and string handling in Java. So here the problem or the code which we have is for the scenario of consumer and producer. So threading or thread is basically the smallest unit of processing, and handling multiple threads at a time is how we achieve multitasking. So we can create thread through two different ways. One is by extending thread or by creating runnable interface. But here we have created thread by extending the thread class. So in this program we have two threads. They are T1 and T2, which stand for T1 stands for producer and T2 stands for consumer. And here we have an object 1 which acts as a buffer for the string which the producer puts and the consumer takes from. Now we are starting the two threads. So here we have the string which is I'm Samuel, and we stored it in an array, and here we use the split function for splitting the string whenever the space character appears. So as you can see, there are two space characters. So this would be split in such a way that the alphabets are put individually and taken individually from the sentence. The words are put individually, not alphabets. The words are put individually and taken individually. So here we are having the run function in which the producer puts the string into the object and the consumer gets the string from the very same object. Here is where we are synchronizing the functionalities of putting and getting. It shouldn't be like the producer puts all the three words, which is I am Samuel, at a time, and the consumer takes them successively. Instead, we have designed in a way that the producer first puts, and only when the consumer takes will the producer put, or the thread put, the next string. So this we've achieved through the functions notify and wait. So basically, when thread 1 is in execution, it will notify thread 2 to remain idle or wait, and when thread 2 is in execution, it will notify thread 1 to remain idle. So only after the thread 2 takes the string and displays it will the producer or the thread 1 put the other string. So now let's see the program. As you can see, the producer first puts I in the buffer and the consumer takes I from the buffer, and the producer puts am in the buffer and the consumer takes am from the buffer, and the producer puts Samuel in the buffer and the consumer takes Samuel from the buffer. This is the desired output we were looking for. Now, as for the second portion of the program is concerned, we have the concept of string handling. So here in this program we are going to get a string from the user, and we are going to create substrings, and we are going to display them in an alphabetical way. The substring are divided on the value given by the user. So here through scanner class we are getting the string from the user, and we are getting the value for the substring from the user, and here we are splitting the main string into substrings based on the value given by the user, and all of the substrings we are sorting them using bubble sort. So let's run this program. So we'll go welcome to Java. And we'll give the length of the substring as you can see, all the substrings are of length 3 and they have been arranged in the alphabetical order. Thank you.